Hey, just wanted to shoot you a quick video on the pilot demo we have. So we'll do a quick little walk around the outside here. I just pulled it inside. I didn't rinse it off or anything, so I apologize. So we're going to show you how the kick to open tailgate works. So you just have the key near you, put directly in, straight underneath, and then the tailgate will open just like that. When it opens, you then get access to the back here. This is the 8-passenger model. Seats flip down. They do have some floor mats on the other side. That's why they're not folding nice and flat. You have this nice storage tray back here. Also can drop down and recess just like that. Over here you have a little compartment which I can tell you fits a 4-liter jug of milk perfectly. It's one of my favorite things whenever I have to run to the grocery store with one of these. All right, we will move on around. Just push the button up here to close it, or you could use the kick sensor or the hand control remote. Move over to this side, get a full view. Perfect. So here we have the back seat. Lots of room. See, just by tapping this button here, the seat does slide forward. They are adjustable forward and rear. Just slide a bit. You have all of your controls down here. Climate control, some USB charging ports, some manual headphone jacks. There is wireless headphones in here as well. Also, if I flip that down, you do get the rear screen display. Keep the kids in the back entertained. On the rear doors, you do have sunshades that lift up and are built in. Move over to the passenger seat. You can see 8-way power adjustable. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4-way power adjustable. My bad, I apologize. Lots of storage in here. This is illuminated once I'm going to show you from the driver's side. Nice high gloss trim. Headliner. Being this is the 8-passenger, you do not have the full panoramic sunroof to allow that in the center there. That's where your center seat belt comes down. Okay. You do have LED headlights that are self-leveling, so if you do decide to put a trailer on this, the headlights will balance out and don't have to shoot at the sky. Underneath the hood, you have the Honda Earth Dreams technology IV Tech engine with variable cylinder management. So, other than that, everything's nice and color-coded. You have blue for washer fluid and your dipsticks in orange. What was that? Go around to the inside now. We did have a drastic temperature shift last night, so I believe the tire pressures in here are a little bit low. There's your startup screen. And as you can see in the information station, it does tell us that our tire pressures are low. And to fasten our seatbelts. So road departure mitigation's off. We can see those. Flip through here. Here we can see nicely, if I cycle through, I'm using the home button here, but I'm going to show you what I'm looking at right here. So, warnings. This is just going to tell me that my tire pressure is low and that my engine is not running. My trip computer will show me fuel consumption. This is generally not accurate on vehicles that are demos or parked lots, because they have a lot more idle time. So it does read a little bit lower than normal. All-wheel drive torque, if we were driving this, would show what wheel has power going to it at what time. Phone, navigation, so this will just show the compass. Or turn-by-turn direction. This is a touring, so it does have that. What radio you're listening to. This vehicle has the maintenance system, so this is going to show us our tire pressures. Also, oil life. So right now, this is at 70% left in oil life. When it gets down to about 15%, we do recommend you call the dealer to have it serviced. And it will also tell you this it'll be an A12, B16. It varies, and those codes have different meanings based on what service is required. The vehicle does just tell you what services do at what time to help make sure you're keeping care of your Honda in the best way possible and following the routine maintenance. It's all based on driving habits and vehicle condition, and can vary anywhere from 6 to 16,000 kilometers, depending on driver habit again. Units, so if you do cross the border and want to switch into miles per hour, there you go. And then we'll just switch back to kilometers so we don't get any tickets. And the last one down on the list, I think there was one more, is you can just put that so it's blank if you don't like that clutter up there on your display. Here in the front seat, we have our infotainment system, which has all sorts of displays. You can customize this, you can move things around. If you are let's say hypothetically you're an Apple user, not an Android user, I can take this app and I can hide it. I'm going to drag it down to hide. There we go. And then it's hidden. Just like that. And I can minimize how much stuff and prioritize what I have on my front screen, so I'm not always flipping trying to find what I want to find. Your climate control is right here. Pretty nice. It's off right now because I didn't want the fan blowing, but you do have tri-zone temperature. Rear is as well. You can also shut off the rear independently or lock it out so that the little ones in the back can't play with it. You do have heated seats, also have ventilated, cooled seats, and a built-in Blu-ray player. Here you have your wireless charge pad, and if you can see the little blue light that came on, that's the blue accent lighting that comes on in the Pilot Touring. You'll notice there's no shift lever to shift into gear. What you have is a push-button transmission, which is very nice because it communicates to the transmission, making more space in here. So it's a little bit more of an open, inviting cab. All right, thank you so much. Hopefully that's everything I could show you, and we'll go over a few more things in detail later, but hopefully you enjoyed the tour of our demo. I should show you the mileage in case you missed it. On our demo currently, we have 1,319 kilometers. Perfect. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye.